Okay, I'm going to go through the setup and the takedown of the target stand. But first I want to mention, when I'm walking down to set this up, it sure is nice that this only weighs 7 3/4 pounds. I'm walking down there, I got this in my left hand, I have my backer board, and the only tool I need is a claw hammer to set this rig up. First step, we got to unfold it. Now to unfold it, I'm going to have the camera come in closer. I take the ring grip pin here, we're going to pull it out. We're going to move this forward. I got 3 settings. I got forward, 90 degree, and back. We're going to do the 90 degree setting. So I push this in there. I'm going to just pull this slowly back until it slides in. Now, the key thing with this is once you drill a hole in something, you're going to have movement. There's always going to be some movement there. So to get rid of that, I put a jammer bolt on the stand. Okay, and I take that up on there, and I put my brush there, and I snug that down, and that removes any play in here at all. The next thing I do, I want my target to be relatively straight in line with my target stand. So I use my little handle here, my window, and I hold that up, and I aim that towards my target. So I line it up, I just lower it down. Okay, and then I'm ready for my stakes. Now the stakes, and this is really uneven grounding, but the stakes are, the first thing you do not want to do is pound them in straight. We have these slotted holes here. You want it at an angle. You're going to put the pin all the way over here and simply go this direction. Then we're going to pound it in. Now the harder the ground is, the better this thing works. Okay, I take it into there. Do the same thing with this one. We're all the way over. Lead it this way, and away I go. Okay, I'm going to do absolutely the same for the back. We angle it here. Must have ran into a rock there. Okay. Now, the next thing we're going to put, okay, that came loose. I hit that so hard I got that tightened up. I'm going to put the board in there, the backer board. I go in there at an angle. I start at an angle. I come up and it slides down into a slot. Then I'm going to just come around here. I'm going to just snug that just up very little. Because when you put the target stand in the ground, very rarely is that stand going to be level. So I do want my targets to be relatively level when I'm shooting from the bench. So when I loosen this just a little, that allows me to move this and get them level. So I just kind of eyeball it. Or if I wanted to put like a torpedo level there, I could do that. I go down here, I snug it down. Okay, next thing. I'm going to show you the distance between the top of the stand and my lowest target is almost 2 feet. So issues of shooting this stand to me is simply non-existent. And if I wanted my target to be even higher, I can use a 48-inch board. I raise up 7 more inches. This is a 41-inch here. I got a 48-inch one. I'm 7 inches higher. Okay, the takedown. Obviously, we just loosen these up a little bit. Now the stakes have a lip on them. So we take the claw hammer, we just pull them out. I mean, easy peasy. Pull the back one out. And then to store them, I got these little grommets here where they slide in so. And then the back one, I put it in. The next thing, we're going to fold it back up. Now to fold it back up, you have to make sure you loosen the jammer. I loosen that. Pull a quick pin out, fold her down, and set to go. The thing is, folks, if you're looking for a target stand, I absolutely guarantee you this thing is a cat's meow. Hey, I appreciate you watching.